Hey guys, it's me, 𝐂𝐻𝐷, and today we're doing a little thank you video to auxbeam.com. First off, I did, about 8 months ago, I did a video on auxbeam switchback bulbs, and one of them happened to fail. So I sent them an email, and within like 12 hours, I got an answer back. And remember, they're in China, so they got back to me like right away. And they just asked for me to send them the Amazon order number, and they replaced the, they gave me a whole new set actually. So that's what I got. So thank you, auxbeam, for that. We're gonna go and show you what happened with the bulbs. All right, guys, as you can see, there's the daytime running light. Nothing's wrong with that. But you'll see as soon as I turn on the signal light, you'll see what happens. Yeah, you can see it. It's like almost like it's strobing. On camera, it doesn't really look that bad, but yeah, it's strobing. Anyways. It's defective. They sent me a part, which I'm very happy of. And remember, these are CANBUS bulbs, which means they'll work with this car. There's not too many that do. These are of good quality. I've never had problems with auxbeam, and they came out with flying colors as far as customer service. So I'd really like to thank them. All right, guys, so we're just going to do a little removal here. We did have a full video on the other one. Should be somewhere in the corner here.
A few moments later.
Yeah. The first time you pull these out, they're quite hard to take out. After you use them for a while, they kind of come out pretty easy. There you go. That's pretty bright, eh? All right, so there's the brand new package. Beautiful. All right, just like putting it in, it's easy, just as easy to take it out. Set that aside. Put the new one in. Oh, it's got to be a certain way here. Might be a little tight the first time. There we go. Yeah, so there, it's in. And one thing I like to mention about auxbeam, I've been using these for years. And this is actually I'm going to say probably a good 10 years. And this is the first time that I've ever had a problem with it. And when I did, I contacted them and I had no questions asked, and they sent me the part. I'm really happy with them. I'm going to leave the links to this product. They're not available on Amazon as I speak, but I'll also give you their website, a direct link to their website, so you can check that out. Okay, you can see they work, and they are very bright now. All right, there you can see them nice and bright. I just put the daytime running lights on. Very nice. And there you go with the signals. If you compare it with the beginning of the video, you'll see what I mean as far as brightness goes. They are super bright. When you're coming up along like in the middle of nowhere and there's a nice sign, it really lights it up. When you turn these signal lights on, you can really see them. All right, so there you have it, guys. Before I leave the video, if anyone has any suggestions about LEDs in the rear, as well as the reverse, I've tried several different kinds and failed. If anyone has an idea of a light bulb that I can use that's LED, please let me know. If you see my other videos, the ones I put in make the backup camera stay on and get a whole bunch of different issues with the tire pressure monitor system regarding both different lights, backup and signal. But other than that, the front looks great. I love it. I really love it. Anyways, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. I really love to hear your comments. We'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to check out my Facebook page and buy me a coffee link. Take care and have a good one.